How to get black background in Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can get black background in Instagram story. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how we can do it. So for that, you can open up your Instagram first, and once you are there, you can head over with the normal process of how you create a story. You can just go ahead and select up a picture from your gallery. For example, like this. Once you've selected the picture, if you want to make it whole black and change the background, what you can do is, at the top you should be finding a 3 dot with the editing options. So just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, it gives you this option called draw. So just go ahead and tap on it, and in the bottom it will give you different color options. So just go ahead and look for black, and once you've selected black, what you're gonna do is long press on your Instagram story and leave it. After when that is done, your background will be changed black. So once your background has been changed, you can go ahead and add up the picture you may want, if you want to do that like this. And once you've done, you can just place it on your story. So that is how you set a black background in Instagram story. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.